the main intention of modern business is customer satisfaction. Product or goods are classified into two types. First one, consumer product, and second one, industrial product. Your product should have some economic value to the exchange between the buyer and seller. This industrial product represents long life, but here consumer product, regularly they will purchase the product. Hello everyone, I am Meghana from the Department of Commerce, lecturing in Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. We are in the session 2 of Unit 4, subject Marketing Management. In the last session, we have discussed about product. In today's session, let us continue with the same topic. In today's session, we are going to learn introduction, meaning, definition, features, then classification of a product. So let us start with today's session. Introduction. A product constitutes an important element of marketing program. Before making decision about pricing, promotion and distribution programs, a business firm has to determine which product it will present to the target market. In other words, the study of marketing begins with deciding about the product to be produced. That means the first element in your marketing mix is product. So before you'll fix the price, place and promotion, first you need to decide which product you are going to produce. So the main element, the basic element is product. So first you need to decide the product for your target audience. So deciding what to produce is product. So the main element, the main or the basic element of marketing mix is product. First, after deciding the product only, you can start with production process or your marketing activity. So the important element or the marketing begins with deciding about the product to be produced. All the marketing activity will begin after deciding the what product you are going to produce. It is an important element of the marketing program. What is product? Product is anything that possesses utility is called product. In other words, a product is a substance possessing economic value and offering desired satisfactions to the target market. That means product means anything. Product means anything that possesses some utility. That means it possesses some benefit for the user. So the product means anything that possesses utility is called product. That means anything which has some utility or benefit is called as product. In other words, product is a substance possessing economic value and offering desired satisfaction. That means product means anything that have economic value. Anything which you are going to decide as a product means it should have some economic value. In exchange, it have the ability to satisfy the customer needs. So, it should offer desired satisfaction to the target market. According to Alderson, product is a bundle of utility consisting of various product features and accompanying services. That means product means a bundle of satisfaction. If a consumer purchase one product means he will not expect only one benefit from product. So it's a bundle of satisfaction. So your product should have bundle of satisfaction or the bundle of benefits, utilities that renders services or that have the ability to satisfy the customer needs and wants. So it should have the ability and utility to satisfy the customer needs. According to Philip Kotler, a product is a bundle of physical services and symbolic particulars expected to yield satisfaction or benefits to the buyer. That means, according to Philip Kotler, product is a bundle of physical services. Either it may be a physical services or symbolic particular expected to yield. Customer will expect it should satisfy or it should
help. It should have some utility or benefits to the buyer. That means it's a bundle of satisfaction. In general, product means anything that have the bundle of satisfaction. It have the ability to satisfy the customer needs and wants. So your product should have the ability to satisfy the customer needs and wants. So it's a bundle of satisfaction. Next, features of a product. First one, tangibility. A customer should be able to see, touch and feel your product. Product should have this quality. Your product is tangible. Your product is visible. The customer can see, touch and feel your product. Next, intangible attributes. Intangible attribute means it's not only a tangible goods, it also render intangible services. For example, if a customer purchase car, is not only purchase a car. Car is a product. It is a tangible product. Car is a tangible product. Is not only purchase a tangible goods. He also expects some intangible attributes. That means he also expects some other benefits from this product. So that is, he expects loan facilities, after sale services, then comfort traveling, then seating arrangement, all these benefits. So all these benefits are intangible attributes. So that your product should have feature or quality. One is tangibility, then intangible attributes. So here in this example, car. Car is tangible goods. It has tangible quality as well as intangible attributes. That means customer will expect some intangible benefits from the product. So it should have both the quality, tangible and intangible attributes. Another example, hair salon or hairstyle. Here, your product does not have tangible quality or tangibility. You cannot see or touch the product, but you can feel the services. So, it has intangible attributes. That means your product have the intangible attributes, but not the tangibility. Here, the customer can judge the services. It should be measurable by the customer. Here, the customer can judge the hairstyle. He can judge your services. So, it has the intangible attributes. So, your product either it should have tangible or intangible attributes, or it can have both the tangible and intangible attributes. In this example, car, it has both the tangibility and intangible attributes. In this example, your product or service have only intangible attributes. Next, exchange value. Exchange value means your product should have some economic value for the exchange between the buyers. That means, for example, if you are going to purchase one calculator, that means it should have some economic value. So, your product should have some economic value to the exchange between the buyer and seller. If the price for this product is 1000 rupees means, customer will they agree to pay you 1000 rupees for this product? No. That means your product should have some economic value to exchange between the buyers and sellers. So, your product should have some exchange value. Economic value, customers are ready to pay that value for the product. Next, utility or benefits. Utility or benefits means your product should have the ability to satisfy the customer, or it should have some benefits. It should have some benefits to the customer. The final user who are going to purchase your product, they should be benefited from your product. So it should have some benefits or utility or usefulness for the buyers. So if there is no use from the product, means customers are not going to purchase your product. For example, if your pen is filled with ink, means then only it should have some benefits or utility. The customer will purchase the pen, or else the customer is not going to purchase. Why? There is no benefits from the product. So it should have some utility or the benefits for the final users or consumer. Next, customer satisfaction. The main intention of modern business is customer satisfaction. So the customer satisfaction is a main objective of every business organization. So your product should have the ability to satisfy the customer. The customer, they will purchase in order to satisfy their needs. So your product should have that ability to satisfy the customer. Next, business needs satisfaction. Your product have good quality, tangibility, intangible attributes, exchange value, then benefits, and it's also satisfying customer needs. But in addition with this, it should satisfy the business needs. So then only if the business is satisfied or if the organization is satisfied, means then only they can continue with the product. So along with the customer satisfaction, one of the main objective is business needs satisfaction. That means the profit maximization or reputation or sustain in the market. So it should satisfy the business needs also. Your product should have all these features. Features of a product is tangibility, intangible attributes, exchange value, utility or benefits, consumer satisfaction, then business need satisfaction. So this all are the features of product. Next, classification of products or goods. Product or goods are classified into two types. First one, consumer product, and second one, industrial product. Under consumer product, we have convenience goods, shopping product, then specialty product. Convenience product or goods, shopping products or goods, then specialty products or goods. Under industrial product, raw material, equipment, fabricated materials, then operating supplies. Product can be classified into two categories. First, consumer goods. Consumer goods or product means the end user or the final user of the product. They purchase the product for the final user, or they purchase the product for the intention of consumption. They purchase the product for consumption purpose, not for the sale. That means end user of product. End user of product is called consumer product. So the feature of consumer products are high competitors in the market. For the consumer product, varieties of product or number of competitors. Competitors are more for the consumer product. They are going to purchase regularly. Consumer products are regularly, frequently they are going to purchase. Consumer products, they have produced according to the taste, needs and wants of customer. Consumer products are produced according to the taste, needs and wants of customer. So the main benefit of consumer product is frequently purchase. The customer will purchase frequently the consumer product. So they have more competitor and they can be sold at retail stores or malls or self-services. So it can be the sales is more as well as the customer is frequently purchase the consumer products. Under consumer products, first one, convenience product. Convenience product means the product which the consumer purchase frequently, immediately and with the minimum shopping efforts. They purchase frequently. immediately, frequently, and with minimum shopping efforts. The goods which the consumer purchased frequently, immediately, and with the minimum shopping efforts are called convenience goods. The example for convenience goods are medicines, drugs, grocery, biscuits, shampoos, toothpaste, daily used items. All this are the example for convenience goods. These all are the example for convenience goods. Convenience goods are less durable, so the consumer will purchase rapidly, regularly. These convenience goods are purchased regularly with a minimum shopping effort. So it is easily available for the consumer. They purchase with a minimum shopping effort and rapidly. So this is all about convenience product or goods. Next, shopping product. Shopping product or shopping goods. The consumer will purchase a product only after comparing the quality, price, stability and style of the product. So here the customer will purchase a product only after comparing the price, quality and stability of the product is called shopping goods. Here it requires some time. So convenience goods with a minimum shopping efforts they will purchase. Here some time for the purchase of such goods. For example, furnitures, fruits, etc. So while purchasing this product, they compare the price, quality and stability and style of the product. Then only they make a decision to purchase the product. Here, these products are not going to purchase regularly. They purchase once in a while. So that means shopping goods or they are not going to purchase regularly or rapidly. It requires some time for the shopping. Here, they compare price, quality and stability of the product. So this is all about shopping products. Next, specialty product. Specialty product means goods with unique characteristics and brand identification is called specialty product. A goods with unique characteristics and brand identification, as well as customer will make special efforts while purchasing such products. That means they take special efforts, they make some special efforts while purchasing such products. For example, air conditioner, car, refrigerator, all this comes under specialty product. They give some special attention while purchasing such product. Here, brand image or brand loyalty influence buying behavior. Under specialty product, brand loyalty and brand image, it influence the consumer buying behavior. Here, promotional activity is also influence the consumer buying behavior. For example, brand loyalty. The consumer will purchase a same brand product for their personal purpose. For example, they purchase TV from the LG company as well as all the products like washing machine, computer or laptops, any other special products they purchase with the same brand. That means brand loyalty. Or else they may purchase with the Sony company, all the items or all the special goods with the same company. So here brand loyalty as well as promotional activity, it influence consumer buying behavior. Here a unique characteristics or brand image as well as customer will pay some purchase efforts, will make some special efforts while purchasing such products. So this is all about specialty product. Industrial product. This is all about, this is the first classification under consumer product, convenience product, shopping products and specialty product. Next, industrial product. Consumer product is meant for the final consumption. Here, industrial product means it is used for further production process. Industrial product means it is not meant for personal purpose. It is used for further production. Here, suppliers are low. So we have limited suppliers, as well as here the purchasing quantity is high. So they purchase in bulk. So the purchasing quantity is high, but the suppliers are low. They have derived demand. They represent long life. This industrial product represents long life. But here consumer product, regularly they will purchase the product. Here the suppliers are low and they have derived demands, and these goods are meant for further processing. They consider the technical factors while purchasing the product. So this is all about industrial product. Industrial product can be classified as a raw materials. Raw material means a goods or a product which require further processing. Some of the agricultural product like jute, cotton, all this item it requires further processing. So this product is called raw material. It requires further processing for the production process. They use this product for the further processing and make it as a finished goods. Or it may require further processing or semi-finished goods. Raw material or semi-finished goods like steel. It is semi-finished goods, but it requires further processing for the production purpose. These all are raw materials. Raw material means raw materials or goods which require further processing. Agricultural goods as well as the semi-finished goods. Agricultural goods means jute, cotton, all this require further processing. This comes under raw material, as well as semi-finished goods like steel, iron. These items also comes under raw material. It requires some further processing for the production purpose. Next, equipments. Equipments belongs to industrial products. Equipments, it includes installations such as boiler, sawmills, as well as accessories equipment like tools, like welding equipment, as well as processing, then refining machineries. So all this comes under equipment. So installation such as boiler, sawmills, then accessories like welding machine, tools, processing, refining machinery. This all comes under equipments. Next, fabricated material. Fabricated material means product belongs to fabricated material. They already undergone some processing. They can consider almost a finished goods. For example, iron, brick, all this products already undergone some process. So it is almost a finished goods, but it requires some processing. Next, operating supplies. Operating supplies means this product is used for assembling purpose. That means this product can be visible from the final product. For example, tires in vehicle. So this product under operating supplies, the products are visible from the final product. This product operating supplies, the products which undergone some processing and they are used for the assembling purpose. So this all about industrial product. So this all about today's session. In the next session, let us continue with the unit 2. Until then, keep watching. Thank you.